Would you really lose your memory if you took out a spoonful of your brain? As early as 1980, a British man named Mark, a student, discovered that his head was constantly swelling and accompanied by severe pain, so he went to the hospital for treatment. When the doctor received the CT examination report, he discovered that Mark's skull was filled with nothing but a paper-like layer outside the full spinal fluid. This was a shocking scene for the doctor. The average brain weight of a normal person with thin gray matter is about 140 grams, and Mark's brain is only 30. But the problem is that not only does his daily life not suffer, he was too affected and his IQ was as high as 126 to become a doctor. When students published Mark's case in a scientific journal, it soon caused an uproar and also triggered deep thinking of whether humans really need a fully complete brain. What's next is an even more miraculous. A man named Jason Padgett was attacked by a group of men while returning home. A group of gangsters hit him on the head and he fell into a coma. After arriving at hospital days later, he woke up and was surprised to find that not only did he know a lot about mathematics, which was a subject he wasn't good at, but could now quickly calculate various complex formulas and principles in a matter of microseconds. Later being diagnosed as a mathematical genius, Jason transformed as a person and accidentally acquired savant syndrome. When the brain is damaged, the other half of the brain is activated in order to compensate for the damaged part. It forces new connections and further development, thereby stimulating the potential of the entire brain. In other words, even if you take out a spoonful of your brain, it won't affect you and you will still function. There's a small chance it will take your memory away and you will become a genius, but don't be at the ready with a spoon. After all, this symptom has only occurred in 4 people in the world so far. No more cases have been documented worldwide. Plus, the neurons in our brains have hundreds of billions of connections that are crisscrossed and connected to each other. Once damaged, the consequences will be unimaginable. So go about your day with this new sense of knowledge in your gray matter. If you like this Eureka Science sauce, then hit the thumbs up button and also smash the subscribe button to keep up to date with new daily content. Thanks for watching.